Welcome to my weblog at peterqbrown.com. This is part 3 of the series on building a new workshop here in Bozeman, Montana. In part 1 and 2 of this series, we have looked at the building design and the construction process and associated issues leading up to a finished slab foundation. Here in part 3, we will look at the wall, floor, and roof framing of the structure and the related framing details. Ordering essential materials well ahead of time is an important element of project organization and efficiency. Before we started framing the first floor walls, I was able to confidently finalize the order for both floor and roof trusses. Aggressive scheduling is key to getting a building weather-tight this late in the season. We are into September at this point, and you never know what Montana weather will be, so we will go hard until the building is dried in. In week 1, the first floor walls went up, were sheeted and braced, and the pre-ordered floor trusses were delivered the next week. Our second floor was up and sheeted a day later. While we were working on the floor, Simpkins Hallen Lumber delivered our pre-ordered roof trusses. The stair plan is tight, so a day was dedicated to accurate layout and construction of the stairway. Once that was out of the way and done, the second floor walls were framed, sheeted, and braced. At that point, we were ready for the next day's installation of the roof trusses. Paying $100 an hour for a boom truck means you better have a good plan for the day and have real good help lined up. Neil Wilbert of Beetle Kill Boards fame is an experienced builder and a real good all-around hand. I was glad to have his help on this day. The boom truck operator was skillful and our day went very smooth. A good day's work ended with the trusses set and braced successfully and ready for detailing. The immediate next step heading toward dry-in is the soffit and fascia installation, dormer infill framing, and roof sheeting. Our fascia and soffit material has been pre-painted on site. We will get it up and do the touch-up as needed from the lift. Once the roof detailing was done and sheeted, I called Four Seasons Roofing and they got the building dried in. Check back to peterqbrown.com for later progress and a closer look at some of the finished detailing of part 4 of this series. Thanks for taking the time to watch my blog.